Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A25 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to connections. And here select mobile hotspot and tethering and turn on mobile hotspot. Now click over mobile hotspot and you will see several settings. Here you have to choose password if you would like to set a password for your hotspot. Okay, then click on security. As of now, security is open. Okay, you can either use open, there is no problem, but others may connect to your hotspot. Okay, so if you would like to protect your mobile hotspot, it is better to use a password. Okay, but you should enter that password while connecting your TV too. Okay, so if you would like to choose password, click on this WPA2 personal and supply a password here. Password must be 8 characters. Okay, minimum 8 characters. Okay, it may be numbers or combination of numbers and letters. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, so after setting up your password, just go to home screen. Okay, now go to your TV. And select settings there. Select settings of TV. Find settings and click on it. And here just select additional settings. Now click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi button. Okay, just to turn on this button, and now you will receive the hotspot signal you have created in your mobile. Okay, that is showing here Galaxy A25. Just click on it and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Okay, after successful connection, come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home app. Search Google Home. Okay, search term Google Home and you will find this Google Home app. Okay, just click on install and Google Home app will be installing. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it is being installed. You should have active internet connection for downloading and installing Google Home app. For screen mirroring too, you need active internet connection. Okay. Yes, it is installed. Now open Google Home app. And click on get started and click on next and give permission and select email ID for connecting and to Google Home app. Okay, and click on OK. Select next, give permission. Select next for location access and give permission. And now it is important step. Your phone is asking you to turn on Wi-Fi. If you click on activate, it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi. But if you turn on Wi-Fi, what will happen? Your mobile hotspot will be turned off. Okay, so already your TV has been connected to your mobile hotspot. Okay, connection between the TV and your mobile will be lost. Okay, so for screen mirroring, it is important to have your TV and mobile in connection. Okay, through either common Wi-Fi or any other your own mobile hotspot Wi-Fi. Okay, but here if you turn on, what will happen? Automatically hotspot will be turned off. Okay, so don't do it. Just instead of what will you do? Just close this app. Okay, at this step just to close app and again open app, and it will not ask that step now. Okay, it will directly come to another step. Okay, so that step is skipped now, and click on devices here and you will receive the TV signal. This is the TV signal. Android TV is the TV signal. Just click it and you will find the casting option. Okay, just click on cast my screen and click on cast screen, and now click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See there, what is displaying in my phone screen, that is also displaying in my TV. Okay, so if you want to adjust the volume, in some cases you would play any music file or any video file, video from YouTube or any other MP4 file. Okay, so to adjust the volume, you can use this bar. Okay, as of now 77% volume is available. If you would like to increase volume, what you go to do is just you go to move this point in clockwise direction. Okay, if you would like to decrease volume, you go to move it to the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so to decrease volume, you go to rotate it in anti-clockwise direction like this. Okay, 23% volume is set now. Okay, so in this way you can easily control the volume too. Okay, see, so what I open in my phone screen, that is also seen in my TV. Okay, I am opening messages from my phone, that's also displaying in my TV. Okay, wow, see there. Okay, so in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone to any Android TV. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.